right?
Get us some bullets.
Let's see. All right, we're gonna need 38, 30, 30, 22, and 9mm, 12 gauge, and 20 gauge.
And I think also some 45.
Who's got a 40? Oh, does Preston got a 45? Oh, Preston's got the 45. Yeah, we definitely got to get some. Yeah, because no guns in no guns in England. Fucking got to get the American out, you know. American. That's why I got to leave my fucking guns with Preston. I could take them, but essentially they'll just get locked in the armory the entire time I'm over there, and I couldn't even use them. Like they even put regulations on knives. Like you can't even have like a knife longer than like a pocket knife. All right. Shouldn't be too bad, right? All right. All guns must be unloaded with chambers open before entering. Sounds good. Nice. Yeah, I have been here before. It was like 3 or 4 years ago. Like it was before. No, it's been longer than that. It's been like 5 years. I think I was like 17 the last time I came here. So, I'm moving to England. Okay. I'm moving to England. No weapons. I'm military, so no weapons over there. So, me and my brother's coming out here today to get all the American out before I can't shoot anymore.
This is all rentals over here.
Oh, just those?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, everything else is for sale that's up there.
Oh, okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Ah! Damn it.
Rapid fire!
That's not rapid fire.
That is rapid fire.
You're rapid fire.
You'll get us kicked off the range.
He understands. I'll let him know my situation. All right, so we got 4 targets, 4 shots, 5 seconds. Range is hot. On shooter. Ah, shit. Ooh, not so hot now. 4 shots, 5 seconds. On the shooter.
Oh, he's better than both of you.
Hey, hey, Austin. What's up with them loafers, bro?
Been a rough day.
Yeah, rough ass day.
Let's see.
$300.
You see that on that site? Can you see it?
Got a fucking
You can see it.
suppressor on it.
That's what I said. I was like, I
want to see how quiet it's gonna be. I want to say
What is it?
How about we hear it before we take it out?
Nah,
It's not worth it.
I just put a few in there.
Never heard a suppressed gun.
That's it.
What?
Hit me in the face.
How about you get the back targets, Austin? Just a little bit further away.
Trying to see that one target right there in the back.
It's brown. It's like matches the other stuff.
This shit hit me right here between the eyes.
Oh,
It's pretty loud.
It's not that loud. Woo! Them motherfuckers are hot.
no, that's the bullet exploding, bro.
No, look at the rain, like the mist around it.
Oh, sad.
Me next. Me
Just
next.
figured-
Shoot it.
I can't see.
like, I put the dot right on that target.
Let's go that way.
Aww.
A little plastic cigarette.
They got them at
Look at this.
That's a.
he had he took a pit.
I told you.
That thing like the long targets. Yeah, that motherfucker coming out there with some stopping power now.
Damn.
I don't even see any fucking targets.
I don't either.
That
That's nice, isn't it?
that had a little bit more kick than I thought it was gonna have.
Now eject the shell. Like a cowboy.
Nice.
Here.
So you load here?
Yes, a side load.
Gotcha. I'm just aiming for the water down there. I want a big splash.
Like right. Like it's a red target. Where's my ears at? Green. What is it? You gonna sit down?
Yeah, no, not really, because it's fucking wet. Can't see with that fucking thing.
Kick on it. You can be forceful with it.
Such a satisfying sound.
Oh, too far in front of it.
What you got over here, boy?
So my wife gave me a good limit on what I could spin. So I'm well under that right now. So we're gonna enjoy ourselves.
Yeah! Maxwell wife for the win!
Ammo is really cheap here. $7 for a box of ammo for this.
It's not
Like
bad.
a 2-3.
Oh, 223, eh?
Yeah. So my wife gave me a good ass limit to spin, and I'm well under it right now. So
I'll put that other gun there. So. What's that, a 308?
223.
Bro, what are those?
That bitch is loud.
Yeah, I look over there, he's like ankle deep in mud. 'Cause I gotta get these bowling pins.
The vibrations from the gun are sinking them into the mud.
Bro, I wanna sit down so bad, but
Fucking just sit down.
Water hose around here somewhere. Get it in the puddle. Scrape it off on the side, Austin. Does it make your foot heavy?
hey, there's a boot scrubber up there by the door.
Oh, don't do that to the boot scrubber. You're gonna put it in the boot scrubber, it's gonna gunk it up. So which one is this one? That's a 223.
223.
So, is it, you gotta rent that one separate or is it?
I'll run them together.
Oh, really?
My wife was like, how much you spend? Like $50 so far? Shit, I thought he's gonna spend like $400. I don't know why.
Oh, shit.
I was like, fuck, I'm about to shoot shit then.
It ain't bad. It don't have any side ports, so it doesn't blow out like it regular. There you go.
Hey, y'all don't block the shot.
Fuck it up. Shoot some water so we can see the explosion. What are you doing?
Cock it.
Cock that motherfucker.
Working on it, damn.
You gotta do it forceful. It's like, oh, hell yeah.
Hey,
Cowboy gun. Yeehaw.
Bro, look how
Right on.
badass this side arm.
hit that dirt mound out there. Hit the top of that dirt mound.
Did another one go in? Oh. Don't touch it.
Alright, so I'm about to shoot this one, so
That motherfucker's loud.
I'm gonna try to hit those little targets.
Oh, you see me cap the top of that dirt mound?
You can hit those little bitty targets way out there.
God, no.
Bro, look at his head right there.
God damn.
Austin, you want to shoot this one?
One of you to go grab a
Preston.
bowling pin and throw it for me.
Ready?
Pull.
Ready?
Yes.
How about you get it in your
How
shoulder?
about you fucking pull?
Get it.
No.
All right, ready? Oh, you hit it. Shit. Okay.
All right, Austin, you have a good day?
Yeah, man, an awesome day, bro. Awesome.
Dude, that
Could
fucking,
not ask for anything better.
dude, that 9 mil,
Dude,
like,
that thing is sweet, man.
I want
think,
one so bad.
I think I might freaking look into see how much it costs.
Not bad, man.
That thing was sweet.
Yeah.
It was quiet too.
Yeah, the silencer is honestly what made it, because it made it really balanced, you know?
Yeah.
Like it wasn't like heavy on either side.
And smell like gunpowder.
It's the best smell, dude. Finally, I think I'm ready to go to England now.